Look at that. Be careful, kid. It's gonna knock itself out. Look at the teeth. That fish is stuck on the whole time. It's got 2 giant rows of teeth on it.